Okay, now let's put our hamburger, our browned hamburger, into our pan, just like this. Now let's add our tomatoes, diced tomatoes, our green pepper. Let's add our chili powder, our onion, and our garlic. And now let's mix this together, just like this. And now let's move on to our next step. Okay, now let's add our water, just like this. And now let's add our
beans,
just like this. Now let's mix this together. And now let's put this on medium-low heat and bring it to a boil. And let's move on to our next step. Okay, now let's add our rice. Now let's mix this together.
Just like this.
Now let's put our cover on and let this simmer for 20 minutes. And I'll show you the next step. Okay. Now let's add our cheese. Mix this in. And just like that. And we'll let that heat for 3 minutes. And I'll show you the next step. This is our finished product.